Rising from a volcanic islet off the coast of Ischia, near Naples, stands a fortress that seems to grow straight from the sea, the Aragonese Castle, 1,000 years of history carved into stone. The story begins in 474 BC, when Hieronymus of Syracuse first fortified the rock after defeating the Etruscans. But the castle we see today began taking shape in 1441 under King Alfonso V of Aragon, who connected the rocky island to Ischia with a stone bridge and transformed it into a Renaissance stronghold. Perched high above the sea, the fortress was more than a military base. It became a thriving community. By the 16th century, it housed over 2,000 residents, including nobles, monks, and peasants. Inside were churches, gardens, convents, and even vineyards, an entire miniature city protected by walls. Throughout its history, Aragonese Castle witnessed pirate raids, sieges, and wars. It served as a refuge during Saracen invasions and later as a prison under Bourbon rule. Each era left its mark, from medieval towers to Renaissance chapels and Baroque frescoes. After centuries of conflict and decay, the castle was privately restored in the 20th century, reopening as one of Italy's most striking historic sites. Today, visitors can explore its ancient corridors, panoramic terraces, and stunning views of the Bay of Naples, learning how a fortress once became a city on a rock. From Greek outpost to Aragonese masterpiece, the Castello Aragonese stands as a timeless guardian of Ischia, a fortress that's seen empires rise and fall beneath its walls.